guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Annette from Simply Panux, and as you can tell from the title of this video, I am planning on my Hobonichi Weeks today. I'm removing it here from its little home. I keep it in my traveler's notebook, and this week is going to be very fun to do because I'm decorating with some new planner stickers that I made, and I'm very excited. They are available now on my Etsy shop, so if you're interested in using them in your planner as well, go ahead and check my Etsy shop. I'll leave a link to them below. But today I'm using Mr. Cafecito. I'm using the mini sticky notes in color coffee, some trackers, the regular sticky notes. I know I made these specifically for the Hobonichi cousin, but I want to show you guys that you can use these in many different planners, including Hobonichi Weeks. So let me get my setup done here, and I want to use this color, and it's a midliner highlighter in color copper, and I feel like it'll go with Mr. Cafecito's colors. I feel like it will. Yeah, I think it will. So I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I'm gonna do it this way. Should I cover this now? Yeah, I'm gonna cover it. I'm covering it. Some washi tape. And this is just like a black grid washi tape. It's from Amazon? The washi tape shop? I don't know. Okay. I finally did some self-care, so my nails are really short. Come on, man. Come on. There it is. I like to cover these here like this. Is that even? Maybe, maybe not. It's okay if it's not. There it is. Ooh, I need to cut that. Where's my scissors? Maybe an X-Acto knife? I do have an X-Acto knife. Yes. Things are working out today. Super chuek, but it's okay. As I'm saying, things are working out. I ripped my page. No. No. Let me close this before I cut myself. Oh, come on. How am I going to fix this? How about we just cut it off? I'm going to cut it off. There it is. And it looks like it's part of it, right? Right. No, it doesn't. It's all good. Let me drink some tea. Today we're having some chai tea. So now, since I have that done, I am using these here, and I think I want to highlight these. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll highlight this. That'll be my weekend one. And then just separately will be my weekdays. And I'm using the mini weekdays in color coffee. Tuesday, Wednesday, got Friday. And then I'm gonna use my weekend. Okay, that's looking good. I like that. I am planning on a Wednesday, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave this here. Mr. Cafecito with his planner. There you go. And I know I have some important dates. Like for example, Thursday. You know what? He needs to move a little bit more. Yeah, there you go. A little more in between. And Thursday, this is how that's gonna look like. And then Friday is a big deal for me because, wait. Actually, I'm gonna have this as my like important dates. And a tiny little, This is also a sticker. I do have a video going in detail with this, including the new sticker release. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more, definitely check that video out. But I'm gonna add this here. There you go. And then Mr. Cafecito always has to kind of show, he always has to show on a Monday. He has to show up on a Monday. You know what? I think I want to use a little bit of washi tape before I add him. Just because. Just because. There it is. There's Mr. Cafecito. I'm going to zoom you in just a little bit. There you go. Okay, so there's that. And let me get my habit tracker. There you go. Now I'm going to write down on here. It's important because we're having family worship with Panux family. Get the little mini sticky notes in color midnight because I want to use them. I want to use them too. And I'm trying to get today. I guess I'm doing a little something different, just putting all my stickers in, and then I can go into writing down exactly what I want. But on Friday is a big deal, guys. There's that. Maybe something black over here. Now let me go in and write my habits. I know I want to write down water, journal, diet. We are still doing the carnivore diet. But I cheated today because I had some mac and cheese. I was craving it. So I had some. And as soon as I had some, I called my husband. I'm like, I did a bad thing. And he's like, oh no. I kind of didn't feel so bad, but I gotta stay on track. First, write down Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm gonna do a little graph. I'm just coloring it in. And then here, I want to use my gold pen. So let me grab my gold pen because I feel like gold will kind of complement Mr. Cafecito. Well, actually, you know what? Let me just do these first. And I'm gonna use my Tombow calligraphy pen to write down what I have going on. So I'm just gonna write, oh, actually, I don't think I need this. So I'm gonna set it aside. Work, okay. Gonna leave that there. And then Tuesday, it wasn't part of the plan, but I'm gonna write down what happened, which was migraine day. There's work, and then for the evening, and then my husband was prepping his talk, so I'll just write down July's talk to remind me, which reminded me to just give him, you know, a little bit of space so he can take care of his responsibilities. And now we have Metro, a little heart because it's with Julio, so I get to be with him. We get to do something together. I really look forward to Thursday mornings with him. I wasn't feeling good this morning, so what I did was just do a little bit of work. And then we have meeting. PM. I like that. So early regular service, lunch break. You gotta have lunch. I mean, come on. Just doing this for work. Leaving it like that. And I'll leave this open just in case we come across any other plans that we have to do for that. And then maybe add a gratitude section here. I want to add some gratitude section. I know I wanted to add some more black. So let me get more washi tape. Maybe the rest of that little little piece here, like this, and then like this. I like that. And then on here, I'm gonna get my gold pen so I can write with my gold pen. Do I have it here? No, I don't. I'll be right back. Wait, can I use this? Let me see if I can use it. Test. I don't think you'll be able to read it. No, you can't read it with that. So let me get my gold pen. Test. There we go. Yeah, you could read that. And here, I'm gonna put Etsy shop update and a little heart. Plan, budget, and then here is going to be my gratitude. Yay, it fit. Maybe a little design. A little highlight there. Oh, I do like that. And then you guys know I like to leave this open. Add some lines here. So let me add a little bit of lines here. I'm hoping it's not going to clash. We'll see. We shall see. No, I don't think it clashes. There we go. And this is gonna be my groceries list. So maybe I can add another little. I could. Should I add another sticky note? I think it's too much. It's too much. Maybe another cafecito. Because I do need to buy coffee. I ran out, guys. I ran out of my Cafe Bustelo. Cafe Bustelo, is that how you pronounce it? I think so. My Cafe Bustelo. I want some more washi tape. I have a thing with this black grid washi tape, guys. I really like it. I like the thinness though. There we go. I ran out of my Cafe Bustelo instant coffee, and God, oh man, it's just delicious. It's my favorite. Oh, are we gonna cut it? Are we gonna cut it? See. Okay, there we go. We didn't cut through the page. There you go. I'm gonna close this, put it back. How's it looking? Okay, let me write down groceries here. Dots to sort of indicate this is going to be my groceries list, and it is a long one. And the first one, of course, I'm gonna have to add some Cafe Bustelo, and that I can use this. I can use this pen here. Cafe Bustelo instant and Cafe Bustelo espresso, and that just lets me know. Just do the regular espresso. Do I need vanilla? I do need vanilla extract. I do need to add something else here. So, hey, I forgot to add habits here. Let me add it with my gold pen. And this is a Uniball, what is this? Uniball pen. Oh, here you go. It's a Uniball Signo Broad pen, and it's in gold. And then I'm just gonna, in this little header, I'm gonna write down habits. Oh, I love how the gold stands out, man. And then here with the light, oh, I really like that. There you go. You can see it a little better. Okay. I like how that turned out, guys. And I'll just fill this out with my husband just to make sure we're on the same page of what he would like, what he prefers me cooking for the next few days. And on here, what do I add on here? I know I had something else to add. think my husband had date night scheduled this day. And then maybe I'll do that little, I do like this tiny little design. I don't even know how to describe it. And it kind of goes with this sticker over here. And hopefully I remember not to rub my hands over it and ruin the whole thing. There we go. Yeah, I like that. I like how that looks. There's enough space for me to write down any other personal things that I need. I'm gonna finish writing my little gratitude paragraph here. And that completes this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got some inspiration, and also with the new stickers that you'll have available to use as well. I hope you have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy the rest of your week whenever you're watching this. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.